Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Crypto Crackers, which launches on the 25th of April at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through my latest product, which is an entry-level introduction to cryptocurrencies. Now, I bought this course out, my first ever crypto-related course, because although I have been investing and making money with crypto, my observations of the market is that there's loads of products that have come out that have shown you this particular method, a little bit hypey and gimmicky, this little widget, use this little hack here and there, etc. You know, plenty of those sorts of crypto products have come onto the market, particularly this year, 2022. I'm bringing this out in. But what I've never really seen is an entry-level course that actually explains cryptocurrency, you know, from scratch, for people that don't know what cryptocurrency is, that don't know how it works, that don't know what the blockchain is, you know, that don't know any of this stuff, that don't know about wallets, exchanges, everything. And a lot of people are put off from investing in crypto because they don't understand it, or they've tried one of these gimmicks, you know, they've read, you know, Elon Musk tweeting or whatever, and they've invested in a coin and it hasn't worked out, all of this stuff. So as well as explaining everything from scratch, I'm also showing 3 very low risk methods that you can use today to all but guarantee that you will make money from cryptocurrencies, including the one that I'm currently using to make $1,145 US a month. Now I should add the usual disclaimer at this point, because this is a crypto related product, I'm required to tell you that I myself or my group, the Elite Tigers group, neither of us are qualified to give financial advice. So the information on this review and in the course itself is provided for education purposes and entertainment purposes only. The value of any investment can go down as well as up, and previous performance is not necessarily an indicator of future results. If you intend to invest in any financial product, you should always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor before going ahead. Now, having said that, let's move on to a detailed review of what my latest product is. So firstly, are you sinking in crypto confusion? Finally discover the 60-second secrets of crypto. We make $1,145 a month using this method. You can see my income proof from my live crypto wallet on the sales page. I've also put together some bonuses that everyone gets when they pick up Crypto Crackers. You can get them by clicking on the link below, and then by clicking on any of these green buttons before the countdown timer reaches 0. So let's have we'll go through the sales funnel later. The front end price is $12.95, which for a course as in depth in this, I really do think it's a bargain, folks. You could pay, you know, hundreds of dollars to get this information. You seriously could. I've not, as I said, I've not seen anything like it, which is the reason for bringing it out. So Crypto Crackers, finally discover the secrets of crypto. Crypto explained simply for beginners. No tech skills are required. Completely passive income. If you follow the main method that I'm using, I show you 3 methods. 2 of them are slightly hands-on. You have to keep an eye on the market. The one that I use is completely passive, so once it's set up, you know, I don't need to view things at all. It takes care of itself, and I'll explain why inside. So in that case, it is completely passive. Full over-the-shoulder video training, 3 different money-making methods explained. Minimize any risk. Start earning today, seriously. Start with any amount, that's true as well. I even show you in this course how you can get cryptocurrency completely free. So if you want to start up literally with 0, you can get started just by paying the cost of this course, and then I'll even show you how to get free cryptocurrency that you can use to start with as well, and earn an average of 1% per day. Obviously always taking into account the disclaimer that I mentioned earlier. And we'll also have a look inside the members area. There it is. But first, let's just deal with these bonuses. As I said, everyone gets these. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to what cryptocurrencies is all about. This video that I'm making will be in here. There's a demo video you can watch here. It's also on the sales page. I'm going to throw in 5 bonuses. So a bonus page builder that will show you how you can easily build bonus pages without having to buy something expensive like Commission Gorilla to do it. Also the secret weapon. This is a course from Eric Kaji. I often give it away as a bonus because it's still, out of all the courses that I've ever bought, it's still the one that earned me money in the shortest period of time. This course, the secret weapon, when I followed the instructions and set it up, I had 2 sales, I think earned about $30 or $40 within 2 hours of setting this up. Yeah, I've never had a financial return as fast as that from any other product. How to make $100 a day on ClickBank. Commission Blueprint, probably the most respected course from Dinkowski, and a Warrior Plus Super Hack Strategy. They are your bonuses, and everybody gets them in the members area. I'll show you where to find them in a minute. Okay, sales page. It's not hypey, folks. I know a lot about crypto is hypey, but I'm teaching this in a non-hypey way, so do read everything here about the course. As I said, it's presented not with bells and whistles and flashy graphics. It's just a straightforward run through, and there's that demo again. There's the proof. I don't know if you can see this on this page, but this is the 1145 figure that I'm talking about here. This is the profit that I made from this particular method over the last month. And you can see this is a live bot. It would say up here in demo mode if this was not live. Those of you that know about exchanges will know that, but just to clarify for anyone else, that this is a live bot, not a demo bot. What's Crypto Crackers? There's just confirmation of the bonuses, technical guarantee. There's the disclaimer. And when the cart opens, as I said, it will be $12.95. So we're going to take you through, obviously, an overview of what this is all about, and then in the main training, I'm going to show you absolutely everything. You know, what crypto is, how it works, trading and investing in crypto, how trading works, selecting a good currency, trading and exchanges, picking coins, and giving you a blueprint for success. All of this is included. Any sort of websites that you need will be highlighted to you. With any of the sites that I'm taking you here, there's no affiliate link, so I'm not making any additional money from you, you know, for any investing that you do as a result of picking up Crypto Crackers. The only money I make is from you buying the course. And then we go through, firstly, as I said before, I show you how you can get completely free of charge cryptocurrency to start out with. If you've got nothing to invest and you want some cryptocurrency, you don't currently have any coins, I'm going to show you how you can get some for free. And then I'm going to show you the 3 methods, including the one that I'm using, and just confirmation of those bonuses. This is where you get them all. You know, you just click on the bonus and access the bonus here. That's where you get your 5 bonuses. There's also some additional bonuses here, including from some of my own group. There's a great one here, for example, from Stephen Banks that I'll just draw your attention to. His free products club. You get a free product from Stephen every single month, high quality product. So do make a point of signing up for this. He's one of my global ambassadors in the Elite Tigers group, and there's some other unadvertised bonuses for you down there as well. Okay, so in terms of the upsell, so as I said, $12.95 the front end. Now, upsell number 1, I've never offered an OTO one as cheap as $27 before. And the reason that I'm doing it is because I really want people to pick this up, because I'm giving you bonus giveaway rights or lead magnet giveaway rights to Crypto Crackers. Of all the courses that I've ever bought out, this is probably the most evergreen, because people are always going to want to know how to enter the crypto currency markets, and the fundamentals of how to do cryptocurrency are never going to change. You know, the basics that I'm teaching in this course They are the fundamentals. The market isn't going away anywhere, obviously, clearly, and all of the basics about how cryptocurrency works, how to trade, these things are always going to be evergreen. So nothing is ever going to go out of date in this course. So from that point of view, it's a really good evergreen product that you should also sell, by the way, when I come on to reseller rights in a moment. But from the point of view of giveaway rights, having a high quality course like this, and you'll see, you've seen inside the quality of the training. I hope you know from my previous courses how good my training is. Being able to give this away is really gonna, people that sign up on your list are going to be really attentive after you've given them a course of this quality, because they're really going to thank you for it, and as a result of that, you'll get better engagement from them whenever you send them an email. So I strongly recommend that you pick up giveaway rights to this. Mega traffic package is the upsell number 2. I'm going to let you put any 5 links of your choice on 5 of my traffic rotators from 5 of my best-selling traffic courses. They are spring traffic, winter traffic, triple traffic, traffic time, and Christmas traffic. So any 5 URLs of your choice, you can promote them on the rotators of my traffic products and get free daily traffic from each of those 5 different rotators on an ongoing basis forever, or in the case of Christmas traffic, until the end of this year. Reseller rights, $47. Again, I strongly recommend that you do pick up reseller rights to this product, because Crypto Crackers is going to be the ultimate evergreen product. People are always going to want this knowledge. People are always going to be coming into the market wanting to know how that they can safely invest in cryptocurrencies in a low risk way, a very low risk way, to not risk losing large amounts of money, which a lot of people do. So again, it's an easy way to get 100% commissions by picking this up, and then instead of getting the regular 50% commissions, you'll get 100% commissions across the funnel, exactly as if it was your very own product. Upsell number 4 is done for you weekly campaigns. You'll be sent 3 done for you campaigns by me every single week, with a bonus page, review video, etc. For a full year. VIP package, $37. You'll get free VIP upgrades worth $64 each at all 25 of my sites in the Make Money Online niche. Plus you can put a banner of your choice at those sites as well. But at all of these sites, with this free advertising, you'll be able to send solo ads. You'll be able to put up login ads for when people log into the site. You'll be able to put up banner ads, text ads, and full page ads. A whole suite of advertising to an audience of over 30,000 people that are all interested in Make Money Online offers. And then I've reopened the beta tester program for my Elite Academy. It's my high ticket course for $997. It's the only high ticket course on the market for which every single member is currently making money, without exception. Everyone that's joined this course is making money from my 2 traffic rotators each month, and also the guaranteed launch that you get with me. Watch the sales page for full details, folks. There are a lot of high ticket courses out there. Some of them work for some people but not for others. Mine is the one course where everyone that joins is making money. And that, folks, is pretty much it. If you want to pick this up and get all of these bonuses and everything else, all you have to do is click the green buttons here. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on here when the cart opens at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time on the 25th, and then that will bring you back to your receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your copy of Crypto Crackers. I'll show you that here. There it is. But you don't need, normally you'd have to click on the blue button to access your custom bonuses from me. You don't have to, because all the bonuses, as I've already showed you, are in the members area. You just click on the individual bonus and there your access will come up straight away. So that's that, folks. I'm not going to give this a star rating because it's my own product. Other people can do that. But I do very much hope that you will pick this up and finally learn how to make a success of cryptocurrency investing, or indeed, just to learn exactly what it is and how it works. So with that said, thanks as ever for listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath and also click on that bell icon so that you get informed whenever I bring out a new recording. Until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Crypto Crackers.